Okay, how to practice the leave it command. Yummy, yummy treat. That's a good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. She can't get it out of her teeth. Good, leave it. Good girl. Good girl. You got it stuck in your teeth, huh? Sit. Do you want this treat? Do you want this? Lay down. Down. Odie, down. 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 Don't be hard-headed. Thank you. Here. I'm going to let her chew on it a little while. Good girl. That's yummy, huh? Oh, yeah. That's some good stuff. You can have it. I don't know if you want the sock with it, but you may or you may not. Go on. Eat it. Here. That's a good girl. Good girl. I don't think she can believe she can have it. There you go. Yeah, get the taste of it. Start biting it. Good girl. Okay, let's see if it works. Odie, come. Odie, come here. Leave it. Leave it. Ah! Come here. Ah! Leave it. Good girl. Come here. Ah! Come here. Odie, come. Sit. Stay. Stay. Nothing that pisses the dog off more than getting her treat eaten. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Ah! Good girl. Good girl. Okay, I'm going to go back and sit at the computer. I already explained how she did with that. I get nothing.